Hi, myself Dr. Bhanusree. I'm anesthesiologist practicing in Tumkur. I recently completed my 3 months of fellowship in Alleviate Pain Clinic, Bangalore. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the doctors and all the supporting staff here, since I got a good learning experience throughout my 3 months of fellowship course. It was wonderful. I got exposures to each and every different types of cases. Not only the interaction with the patients, but also the hands-on needling. And my special thanks is for Dr. Santoshi. She helped me to complete the case report and helped me to submit to the pain journal. That is also one of the success to me, and given me more chance on needling. I am very thankful to you, ma'am, and rest of the staff also. They had given us enough chances on hands-on needling, and the theory classes were also taken twice every weekly. It was very helpful. Now I am very confident that even I can also start a clinic and run it successfully. Thank you so much, all the doctors and supporting staff. I'm very thankful to you all. Thank you.